We are pleased to show you the 2011 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.